Ions. Ions are formed when atoms lose electrons or gain electrons. Sodium ion is written as Na+ and chloride is written as Cl-. Sometimes groups of atoms also give up or accept electrons, forming positive or negative groups of ions. Single charged atoms are called monoatomic ions. For example, potassium ion K+, magnesium ion Mg2+, nitride ion N3-. A group of atoms that have a net charge on them are called polyatomic ions. For example, ammonium ion NH4+, hydroxide ion OH-, sulfate ion SO4(2-). What does this charge indicate? The charge indicates the valency of the ion. Magnesium ion is written as Mg2+. The 2+ charge indicates its valency is +2. Sulfate ion is written as SO4(2-). The 2- charge indicates that its valency is -2. The valencies of ions are useful in writing the chemical formulae of compounds. A negatively charged ion is called an anion, while a positively charged ion is called a cation. In sodium chloride, the constituent particles are the positively charged sodium ions and the negatively charged chloride ions. Sodium ions are cations and chloride ions are anions. Let us see some examples of monoatomic ions. Positively charged ions with 1+ charge are hydrogen ion, sodium ion, potassium ion, silver ion and cuprous ion. Negatively charged ions with 1- charge are fluoride ion, chloride ion, bromide ion and iodide ion. Positively charged ions with 2+ charge are magnesium ion, calcium ion, ferrous ion and cupric ion. Negatively charged ions with 2- charge are oxide ion and sulfide ion. Positively charged ions with 3+ charge are aluminium ion and ferric ion. Negatively charged ions with 3- charge are nitride ion. Let us see some examples of polyatomic ions. An ion with 1+ charge is ammonium ion. Ions with 1- charge are hydroxide ion, bicarbonate ion, nitrate ion and nitrite ion. Ions with 2- charge are carbonate, sulfate and sulfite ion. An ion with 3- charge is phosphate ion. There are some elements which show variable valency. For example, copper shows 2 valencies, that is 1+ and 2+. Copper ion with 1+ valency is called cuprous ion and is written as Cu1. Copper ion with 2+ valency is called cupric ion and is written as Cu2. The Roman numbers written in brackets indicates the valency of the ion. Similarly, the metal ion also shows 2 valencies, that is 2+ and 3+. Ion with 2+ valency is called ferrous ion and is written as Fe2, and ion with 3+ valency is called ferric ion and is written as Fe3. Let's do a quick check. chemical formulae of compounds. Using the valency of ions, we can write the formulae of compounds.
The chemical formula or the molecular formula tells us about the number of atoms present in one molecule of a substance. Consider the chemical formula of the element hydrogen. It is H2. A molecule of hydrogen gas is made of 2 atoms of hydrogen. We can thus say that the chemical formula of an element is represented by writing the symbol of the element with the subscript written near the symbol. This subscript indicates the number of atoms present in one molecule of that element.
Let us determine the formula of potassium chloride. Potassium chloride is a compound made of potassium ions and chloride ions. We shall follow the following steps while writing the formula. First, write the symbols of the potassium ion is K and chloride ion is Cl. Then, write the valencies below the symbols. The valency of potassium ion is 1 plus and that of chloride ion is 1 minus. Now cross over the valencies of the combining ions. The crossover valencies are written as subscripts with the ions but without their charges. Since the valency of both the ions is 1, the formula of potassium chloride is written as KCl. Now let us determine the formulae of water and sodium sulfate. Formula of water. The combining elements are hydrogen and oxygen. The symbol of hydrogen is H and that of oxygen is O. The valency of hydrogen is 1 and that of oxygen is 2. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of water as H2O. Formula of sodium sulfate. The combining ions are sodium ion and sulfate ion. The symbol of sodium ion is Na and that of sulfate ion is SO4. The valency of sodium ion is 1 plus and that of sulfate ion is 2 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of sodium sulfate as Na2SO4. Formula of magnesium chloride. The combining ions are magnesium ion and chloride ion. The symbol of magnesium ion is Mg and that of chloride ion is Cl. The valency of magnesium ion is 2 plus and that of chloride ion is 1 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of magnesium chloride as MgCl2. Formula of silver nitrate. The combining ions are silver ion and nitrate ion. The symbol of silver ion is Ag and that of nitrate ion is NO3. The valency of silver ion is 1 plus and that of nitrate ion is 1 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of silver nitrate as AgNO3. Formula of potassium hydroxide. The combining ions are potassium ion and hydroxide ion. The symbol of potassium ion is K and that of hydroxide ion is OH. The valency of potassium ion is 1 plus and that of hydroxide ion is 1 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of potassium hydroxide as KOH. Formula of ammonium sulfate. The combining ions are ammonium ion and sulfate ion. The symbol of ammonium ion is NH4 and that of sulfate ion is SO4. The valency of ammonium ion is 1 plus and that of sulfate ion is 2 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of ammonium sulfate as NH4 twice SO4. Formula of sodium phosphate. The combining ions are sodium ion and phosphate ion. The symbol of sodium ion is Na and that of phosphate ion is PO4. The valency of sodium ion is 1 plus and that of phosphate ion is 3 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of sodium phosphate as Na3PO4. Formula of aluminium chloride. The combining ions are aluminium ion and chloride ion. The symbol of aluminium ion is Al and that of chloride ion is Cl. The valency of aluminium ion is 3 plus and that of chloride ion is 1 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of aluminium chloride as AlCl3. Formula of calcium oxide. The combining ions are calcium ion and oxide ion. The symbol of calcium ion is Ca and that of oxide ion is O. The valency of calcium ion is 2 plus and that of oxide ion is 2 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of calcium oxide as CaO. Formula of potassium nitrate. The combining ions are potassium ion and nitrate ion. The symbol of potassium ion is K and that of nitrate ion is NO3. The valency of potassium ion is 1 plus and that of nitrate ion is 1 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of potassium nitrate as KNO3. Formula of ammonium hydroxide. The combining ions are ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. The symbol of ammonium ion is NH4 and that of hydroxide ion is OH. The valency of ammonium ion is 1 plus and that of hydroxide ion is 1 minus. On crossing over the valencies, we get the formula of ammonium hydroxide as NH4OH. Let's do a quick check. Molecular mass and mole concept. Molecular masses. Let us determine the molecular mass of water. The molecular mass of water is the sum of the masses of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Therefore, the molecular mass of water is equal to 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen. We know that the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unit and that of oxygen is 16 units. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 16. Therefore, the molecular mass of water is equal to 18 units. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide. The molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. The molecular mass of carbon dioxide is equal to the atomic mass of carbon plus 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen. This is equal to 12 plus 2 multiplied by 16. Therefore, the molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 units. Molecular mass of calcium oxide. The molecular formula of calcium oxide is CaO. The molecular mass of calcium oxide is equal to the atomic mass of calcium plus atomic mass of oxygen. This is equal to 40 plus 16. Therefore, the molecular mass of calcium oxide is 56 units. Molecular mass of nitric acid. The molecular formula of nitric acid is HNO3. The molecular mass of nitric acid is equal to the atomic mass of hydrogen plus the atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen. This is equal to 1 plus 14 plus 3 multiplied by 16. Therefore, the molecular mass of nitric acid is 63 units. Molecular mass of magnesium chloride. The molecular formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. The molecular mass of magnesium chloride is equal to the atomic mass of magnesium plus 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of chlorine. This is equal to 24 plus 2 multiplied by 35.5. Therefore, the molecular mass of magnesium chloride is 95 units. Molecular mass of sodium chloride. The molecular formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. The molecular mass of sodium chloride is equal to the atomic mass of sodium plus the atomic mass of chlorine. This is equal to 23 plus 35.5. Therefore, the molecular mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 units. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid. The molecular formula of sulfuric acid is H2SO4. The molecular mass of sulfuric acid is equal to 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of hydrogen plus the atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 plus 32 plus 4 multiplied by 16, which is equal to 98. Therefore, the molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98 units. Molecular mass of potassium nitrate. The molecular formula of potassium nitrate is KNO3. The molecular mass of potassium nitrate is equal to the atomic mass of potassium plus the atomic mass of nitrogen plus 3 multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen. This is equal to 39 plus 14 plus 3 multiplied by 16, which is equal to 39 plus 14 plus 48. Therefore, the molecular mass of potassium nitrate is 101 units. Molecular mass of hydrogen sulfide. The molecular formula of hydrogen sulfide is H2S. The molecular mass of hydrogen sulfide is equal to the atomic mass of hydrogen multiplied by 2 plus the atomic mass of sulfur. This is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 plus 32. Therefore, the molecular mass of hydrogen sulfide is 2 plus 32 equals to 34 units. Formula unit mass. We know that ionic compounds do not consist of molecules, they consist of ions. Therefore, we do not use the term molecular mass for ionic compounds. Instead, we use the term formula unit mass to determine its mass. The formula unit mass of an ionic compound can be determined using the formula of the ionic compound. For example, the formula unit mass of sodium chloride, NaCl, will be the sum of the atomic masses of sodium, Na, which is 23 units, and chlorine, Cl, is 35.5 units. The formula unit mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 units. Mole concept. We know that a dozen is a collection of 12 substances, a century is 100 substances, and a gross is 144 substances. As we use the terms dozen, century, gross, etc. to express a certain quantity of a substance. Similarly, a mole is a word used to describe a collection of particles, that is, atoms, molecules, or ions. Let us define a mole. 1 mole of a substance is equal to its atomic mass or molecular mass expressed in grams. The atomic mass expressed in grams is the gram atomic mass. The molecular mass expressed in grams is the gram molecular mass. The atomic mass of sodium is 23 grams. Therefore, 23 grams of sodium is equal to 1 mole of sodium atoms. Similarly, the molecular mass of oxygen is 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of oxygen. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 16 equals to 32. So, 32 grams of oxygen is equal to 1 mole of oxygen molecule. Avogadro experimentally found out that 1 mole of any substance always contained 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. This number is called the Avogadro's number, denoted by N0. That is, 1 mole of a substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, that is, atoms, molecules, or ions of the substance. Let us study a few examples. How many molecules will be present in 2 grams of hydrogen gas, that is H2? 1 mole of hydrogen molecules is equal to the molecular mass of hydrogen. This is equal to 2 grams. We know that 1 mole of hydrogen molecules contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen molecules. Therefore, 2 grams of hydrogen gas will also contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 hydrogen molecules. What is the mass of 1 atom of hydrogen? The gram atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 gram. The gram atomic mass of hydrogen will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 hydrogen atoms. Therefore, mass of 1 hydrogen atom is equal to 1 divided by 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 gram. This is equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. How many molecules are present in 42 grams of nitrogen gas, that is N2? The atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 units. Nitrogen is a diatomic molecule. The gram molecular mass of nitrogen is 2 multiplied by 14, which is equal to 28 grams. How many moles is 42 grams of nitrogen gas? The number of moles of nitrogen is equal to the mass in grams divided by the molecular weight. This is equal to 42 divided by 28 equals to 1.5 moles. Since 1 mole of nitrogen molecules contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 nitrogen molecules, 1.5 moles of nitrogen molecules will contain 1.5 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Let's do a quick check.